Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can go live on TikTok without 1,000 followers. So tap on the three dots and then go to settings and privacy. From there scroll down until you see report a problem. Then scroll down and you'll see live, and then go to how to start a live, and then go to no, and then scroll down and you'll see need more help. From there just say, hey TikTok, I'm over 18 and I follow all of the TikTok guidelines. Please help me get the live option feature. Thank you. And once you submit within 24 hours, your account will be reviewed and then that option should be provided. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And until then, take care.